Ninja Talk here, almost on my 100th video. So, I was just gonna show you this, a bird that I was gonna hopefully get. So, as you can see, I'm on the PetSmart, and well, I'm gonna show you what the bird I'm gonna hopefully get. It's a blue parakeet, as you can see. There's all the stuff you can read. You can pause that too. Parakeet, our price, $21.99. Also, there's a few pros and cons about these birds. Beautiful, everything sweet. Effective. I don't really know. Aren't loud. Cute, chirping sound. Doesn't bite very hard. Easy to care for and easy to clean. Here's the cons: a little messy with food, can be loud, can be skittish at first with a little messy. Doesn't have one, which is me, which sucks. Messy, noisy sometimes, none, nothing, skittish at first, takes time to tame, but it's not a big deal. So that's it for this video, guys. Subscribe to 12 Ninja Taco. See ya!